In this video of Facebook ads course, I will provide a proper explanation to all of you about ad account settings. My friends, as we progress through this course on Facebook ads, we are also clearing the basics as we go along. Direct ads are very easy to learn about. But if the foundation has to be strengthened, and if you want to master or become an expert on the platform you are using, then you need to understand its basics. If you don't have proper information about its settings, so later on you might face difficulties. Therefore, today's topic is as much important as learning about how to create an ad. So this video is about ad account settings, watch it carefully. And this will strengthen your foundation. Let's move on. Before we move on, I want to give you an important update. Friends, Marketing Funda has brought the Fusion course for the first time for all of you. In this course, we'll learn about the fusion of artificial intelligence and digital marketing, which means how we can leverage AI in digital marketing and also increase productivity, how we can use it by integrating it. Because these are future skills, if you want to build your career and grow your business by multiple times, you will be needed to know these things. For course information, call the provided WhatsApp number. Let's move on to the video.
Today's topic is Facebook ads account settings. So, Facebook gives us two individual accounts. So, we have a Facebook profile account. If we create a Facebook profile, then we are given a Facebook ads account along with the Facebook profile. And if we create the business accounts, for example, imagine if we create a Facebook page for a business. Over there, we're going to need to create a business account. What settings are available in both? What are the settings for a Facebook individual account? What are settings for a Facebook business page account? What features will you get? Let's examine the Facebook ads account settings. First, we will log into Facebook. Then go to Ads Manager. Click on Ads Manager. Here you can see that I have two accounts, one under Hitesh Gupta. When I click see more, I have another account, Marketing Funda Digital Agency. Now this account that you see here by the name of Marketing Funda, a digital marketing agency, is my business account, and the account by name of Hitesh Gupta is my individual profile account on the Facebook. We'll start with the profile account settings, and we will also discuss what are the available features and how to set them up. So first we click on Facebook profile and then click on all tools button. Click on all tools. Next, you have the option of account settings, business settings, and then you will see option of add account settings here. To access business account settings, click on the business settings, but for normal accounts, meaning profile accounts, click on add account settings. Friends, here you have accounts. So I will select my profile account here. The first option is add account setup. You have business payment option in this. An option of business payment is given here. If you want, you can open your page, and on clicking here, you can select the payment setting, billing and payment, whatever you want. If you want to use your card or use net banking or UPI, you can do that from here, and these are your funds. As you can see, my available funds, it is being represented, and if I scroll down, there's an option called add funds here. To add funds, click this option and then you can enter and add whatever amount you want. Okay, fine. In my case, I have set up UPI as my payment method. If you want, there is an option to use another method. Click on add payment method. Options include credit cards, debit cards, UPI and net banking. You can use add credit card and apply from this side. Scroll down here to payment which details activity. So in last activity on October 2024, I added manual funds. Payment was put in Facebook ads account. This is the amount. Scroll down and it will display business info. Marketing Fundas is the business name along with address, and currency is given. If you want, you can change the currency and address and business name given here. Click on the edit button. You can put in whatever your business is, and you can change the currency also. And from here, you can change the region from India and put in whatever region you want. Whatever ad you publish varies as per the kind of business profile you have. Now, in add account contact, You can see the notification settings. If you want, you can enable notification settings. And if you scroll, you'll see add people option, add account roles. Friends, when do we use this particular option? If you have any friends or any agency who are running Facebook ads, and in case you feel that they run it better than you, and they can bring even more ROI, they can bring in very high ROI. So you can use your ad account. Instead of giving access to your profile and sharing username, password of your profile, you don't want to give them access to your profile, username, password, and want to give them a role. So they can access, and they will only access your ad account. So you have an ad account and you want to share its access with your friend or agency without sharing username, password. You will click on add people. And here you can see you have to enter a friend's name. Keep this very specific. You can assign this only to that user who is in your profile list. So just make sure that user should be in your profile list already. If it's not already listed, that person is not there in your profile. He is not in friends list. And then you cannot assign him. So first, what do we have to do? Ask him to send a friend request. Then you accept that friend request, and then you can assign it to the person of your choice. Like I am searching here for person called Ram Narayan Gupta. Mr. Gupta is there in my friend list. If I want, I can assign it to him. Here you have an ad account advertiser. These are options. What role should be assigned? Whether of ads or the ad account admin or ad account analyst, you need to decide the role. If you think that the ads placed by you are properly set up, but the result is not very satisfactory and you want to give it to an expert or you want to give it to an agency, you can assign role of ad account analyst. He will analyze your ads and he will check it and tell you what are the mistakes, the issues in it, and based on it, he will suggest you some references. Regarding the role of ad account advertiser, if you feel that the ad that you are running is not sufficient and not getting the desired ROI is insufficient, in that case, you can hire an agency or another person or your friend. You ask them to run your ad in a proper way. You will hire them and request them to run ad for you because they're professional at this. You request them, and in this way, you can also see how the ad works properly. So you ask them to check your ad and ROI, amount of ROI. If you want to add an ad account admin, means you are giving your own admin role to another person and make him ad accounts admin. So you can make them admin through the ad account as well. I won't assign it to anyone. Next option is pages. Click here. Friends, in my profile, no pages are showing right now because I haven't run any ads yet. Next, payment setting. I've covered payment settings, showing you how to use them and the adjustments we can make. So once it will be loaded, I will review the payment settings. Here are funds. Here you have payment history in right corner. If you want, you can send the user the payment history. You can send the bill that comes to your account. Let me show you the bill. My last funding happened on 1st October 2024, and the Facebook will provide a proper bill of that funding. In the cases you are running ad for a particular user and need to justify it, you can send the bill to that user, meaning the invoice in a proper manner as per funding. You can show that funding to them there. Next, you have a help center option available. And here you have been provided guidelines. Therefore, if you want to know how the ads billing work, you can click on this option and read about it in detail. Facebook has properly explained about this. It's been told. Next, we are given the notification setting where you can choose out of the given options that how and where do you want your notifications, whether you want it on your profile or you want it on your email. You can use this and you will receive email. If you do not want to receive notifications on your email, you can change that. You have the option to turn off the notifications. Here, all ad account notifications is enabled. You can turn it off. Now, regarding the notification types, you should get notification when an ad is approved. Enable it from here. So if you do not want it and feel like you can just check it here on the Facebook and don't want notification through mails, you can disable it. Under ad not approved, if your ad gets suspended, you should be notified of the suspension reason. This instant notification allows immediate viewing. Account settled, under money added. If you have added some funds and that is taking some time, a notification is sent on adding funds, informing you about the transfer of funds to your Facebook wallet, account out of money. If you want to receive notification when the balance added to the account is exhausted, enable it here to receive a notification informing you that the balance is about to run out or it's finished and it needs to be refunded. Add funds through funding. So you can also select it from here. Account with low balance. If account has a very low balance, you'll receive notification for that. Under payment completed, if your payment is completed, you will get notification for that. Okay. Test and study updates. If you want test and study updates, then you also have that option. Okay. So now this is what I have explained to you so far. Whatever settings I have explained till now are all at your profile level. Now we will talk about page level or business account level settings. First, I will select business account since this is personal. Click here. We will take a look at the settings coming up. What are those settings? As I explained earlier, all of the settings remain the same, but only one setting changes. Click on the add account setup. Some changes and variations are there. Let's see those. Here you have the add account roles in which you don't have the option to manage the people from here. From here, you need to go to the business tool. Go to open business settings option, which has business setup tool. Access it through facebook.com. Once you are here, you can assign the roles to person. Just a second. Let me approach it. You can't assign access to this account or the page to anyone else. This will cause problem. Under publisher reporting, if you want your account to come in reporting, you can choose ad level price reporting. This is the aggregate price reporting. You can select one out of both options. Basically, Facebook gives you automatically, and this doesn't require you to make any changes. Then under account settings, you can change the notification settings and you can change it from here. Next is the pages. Okay. There is no page inside page, so it won't be displayed here. Next is payment settings. I already explained this. Payment settings here is same as for personal profile. You get these payment settings for business. It's all same, but here you have this. Look here. On my profile page, it displayed the funds I had. I had funds back there, but here I don't have any. The currency here is USD. You can change it. You can make it INR or whatever you want. If your address changes, you can update it. And you can fill in all the complete details here. About payment method, whatever payment you want to make. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video about the business account of the Facebook page, its ad account and its settings. Facebook profile. We also discussed what are the differences in the settings of ad account, along with variations and benefits given. I hope this is clear. And I hope you liked the video. See you in next video. Thank you.
So friends, I hope you all liked this video very much. If you liked this video, be sure to let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries, you can also write them to us in the comment section. Friends, if you like the content we cover in our videos, please share the channel with those you know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on such important courses. And don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Thank you all for watching Marketing Fundas.